Remove mould with Starwax. Starwax mould remover is unbelievably effective. Not only does it destroy mould, but it also eliminates black marks and disinfects surfaces. Its concentrated formula works even without scrubbing. Its effectiveness has been tested against European standards. Squeeze, then lower the safety catch. Spray. And leave to act for 15 minutes, checking progress regularly. For stubborn mould and hard-to-reach places, you can also use a Starwax grout brush. Rinse well. The result is incredible! Starwax mould remover is invaluable in many situations. Quite simply,